have in front of me a 20 meter PoE cable. So basically what we have here is we have both a power cable and a LAN cable together, and it's just formulated into a single cable, and the overall length is 20 meters. It's pre-terminated and is available with low-cost small parcel delivery from freetv.ie. So I'm going to give a quick example of where we'll be using this. So we have something like, we have an NVR over here, okay, and we have a camera about 20 meters away, or we'll say 10 meters away, it won't really matter, but a maximum range of 20 meters. And what we want to do is we want to take the power off the camera. So we plug in the camera. In this case, I think it's a 12 volt 2 amp power supply. So this is a pretty typical camera we'll be selling. But we plug this into the NVR. And on the far end, what we do is we come along and we want to put in our IP camera here. So we put this in and we come along and we put this in here as well. So we have both the picture coming through this, and we also have the power here separately, and we just power a cable to it. So the great thing about this is that we don't need a local power supply. We can just run it, and we don't have to run two cables, so we do it. And the reason we've added this on is that we had some customers who've asked us about problems in the past. They didn't know what product they needed to solve it, but this is the product that they needed for it. Now, we sell a huge amount of BNC and power cables as well, so it just makes sense that we sell these. Now, of course, it is possible with certain cameras to use a pure PoE functionality on it, so you don't have a power input at all, you power everything directly through it. But I just think there is a niche for these, so certainly there's applications there, depending on the camera and the setup, that it's just better to do it this way. So that's it anyway, an overview of the 20 meter PoE cable, DC and CAT5e, available directly from freetv.ie.